Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what could easily be crowned the best mechanical keyboard with hot swappable custom switches. The Redragon K689 wired gasket RGB gaming keyboard. This keyboard isn't just about flashy lights and mechanical clacks. It's a precision-engineered tool for gamers, creators, and enthusiasts who want the perfect balance of performance, sound, and feel. Let's kick things off with the design. Out of the box, the Redragon K689 impresses with its cerulean polar mixed-color keycaps, giving it a distinctive and stylish flair right away. But this keyboard isn't just about aesthetics. Its full-size layout features 108 keys, including 4 additional hotkeys that enhance productivity and in-game functionality. It's a full-size board, yet still ergonomic, giving you everything you need in one layout without feeling overcrowded. Now, what really sets the K689 apart is its gasket-mounted design. Unlike traditional keyboards that rely on screws to fix the internal components, the K689 utilizes a precision-locked cover and gasket system. This unique build approach enhances the board's flexibility and dampens vibration, creating a more refined and satisfying typing experience. When your fingers hit those keys, you're met with crisp, clean feedback, not the harsh clack you might expect from louder mechanical boards. And speaking of keystrokes, this board houses custom Dragon Chant linear switches, pre-lubed and tuned for a smooth, silky travel. The switches are not only responsive but provide an almost buttery soft typing experience. Combine that with the hot swappable socket support and you're opening the door to true customization. No soldering required, just pop them in and go. But it doesn't stop there. Noise control is where the Redragon K689 truly excels. It features a 3-layer noise dampening system, a 3.5mm PO foam layer, IXPE switch foam, and a bottom socket foam. This trifecta, combined with the silicone gaskets, almost completely eliminates that hollow ping you often hear on cheaper mechanical boards. Instead, you get a soft thok with every press. It's ASMR for your fingertips. The typing comfort is dialed up even more thanks to the 2-stage adjustable feet. Whether you like your keyboard flat or raised, it's easy to find the perfect angle to reduce wrist strain, ideal for long gaming sessions or work marathons. And because it's a wired USB-C keyboard, latency is kept to a minimum, delivering ultra-fast responsiveness that gamers will absolutely appreciate. If you're into customization, the K689 comes with software support through Redragon's own suite. You can create macros, program RGB effects, and remap keys to suit your workflow or gaming style. It's powerful, straightforward, and adds an extra layer of flexibility to an already robust package. In conclusion, the Redragon K689 isn't just a keyboard. It's a gateway to a smoother, more immersive, and more customizable typing and gaming experience. From the gasket mount structure to the hot swappable sockets and premium sound dampening, it checks all the boxes for a top-tier mechanical keyboard. If you're upgrading your setup or building your dream rig, this keyboard deserves a place on your desk. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more in-depth reviews. Until next time, type loud, type proud, and make every key press count.